Thank you so much. Thanks. I can't read your name. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you. Thank you so much. You like my blue eyes, Diego? Diego, you like these eyes? Thank you. RST 88 Blue. Thank you. Hi, Daniel. Am I too close? Am I too close, guys? Hello. Am I too close? Hi. Thanks for the donut. Ow! My foot! Owie! I'm doing good, Daniel. How are you? How are you? It's fine. I should stay like this. I'm kind of leaning forward in the chair, so hopefully it don't like fall on me. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for the rose. Hello. Thank you for all the roses. We could do blue next, guys. We could do light blue or dark blue. I'm from New Jersey. New Jersey. Where are you from? Where are you from? Ouch. Ouch. The greenheads. New York City. Oh, hello, hello. Hi, JJ. JJ's from London. Hello. Alright, guys. I'm gonna do a restart, I guess. James, thank you. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna come back. I want to do one more chance to complete this goal right here when I come back. I'll give it like 15 minutes for some progress on the goal, and then I'm going to call it if we can't get it complete. But I'll be right back, guys, okay? Be right back. Make sure you're following. Make sure you're following. Paulo, thank you. Thanks for your rose, Paulo. Thank you so much for your first gift ever. Make sure you guys send your heart me's as well. Heart me's, heart me's. We need that for the goal right here, for the outfit change. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna restart real quick. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright. Follow, guys. Follow.